Telstra tried to persuade the market today that the glass is half full, reaffirming profit guidance and saying everything is going to be fine. But the market said, no, if you have to sack so many people to do it, that glass is half empty. So the shares fell 2.7% and Telstra made everyone mad. The market slipped a fifth of 1%, with James Hardie slashed almost 15% after saying that building volumes are expected to fall 5% over the next year, which is not what you want to hear when we need more houses. And Star Entertainment lost a half of what it gained yesterday because the Hard Rock Cafe said it hadn't made a takeover approach, even though Star said it had. Macquarie Group's economists said today that the chance of a recession in Australia is now 50%, and the economy is a masquerade, with the surge in immigration masking the gap between the overall growth and decline in per-person terms, as shown by this chart. Now, when immigration declines, says Macquarie, households and businesses won't be able to pick up the slack. And that view accords with the futures market going back to betting that the next move in interest rates is down. The flirtation with the prospect of rate hikes was brief, and punters were not tempted to go back there, even with the spending in the budget. Meanwhile, the probability of a recession in the United States is also back at 50%, if not more, according to the New York Federal Reserve Bank's recession probability indicator, as shown on this chart. Stocks barely moved in New York last night, or London and Tokyo, but fell in Hong Kong today. Wheat, iron ore and copper went up on commodity markets while oil fell, and the Australian dollar was roughly steady at 66.6 US cents. And that's finance.